Australia, 1952. Australia, 1952. Three fins. Australia, 1952. 3 fins. The back is the picture of Georgiev 6D G BR BP OMN Rex F PD Dep. So this is the Georgiev 6D G, and this is the Australia 1952. Australia 1952. Three pins. So, 3 pins. Australia 1952. 3 pins. So this is the Australia 1952. 3 pins. And the back is the picture of Georgiev 6P 6 PD G BR BF OMN Rex F I Die Dip. So this is the appearance of the 3 pins of Australia. 3 pins of Australia. Australia 3 pins 1952. 1952. 3 pins. 3 pins. 3 pens. 1952. Australia. The picture of Georgiev 6 Georgiev 6 D G BR BP OMN Rex F P Die Dep. So this is the picture.